morning routine on an average day. I thought I'll show you my morning routine on my workout day, like just me working out as usual. I normally work out every other day, but this time I didn't work out for 2 days, so I'm working out today, but then I'll have a day off tomorrow and then work out again. So that's how it goes for my workout. The workout that I do is couch to 5k. I'm on week 3, so it's so I do you do a warm-up walk, 5 minutes warm-up walk, and then I do 90 seconds of running, 1.5 minutes I think of walking, and then 3 minutes of running, and then 2.5 minutes of walking, and then 90 seconds of running, then 1.5 minutes of walking, and then the last one is 3 minutes of running, and then you've got a cool down walk for 5 minutes. That doesn't seem that much probably, but it kills you. Not literally, but I sweat so much. I also put a sweat belt on, so that's also why I sweat so much. But the first thing I do, obviously I need to get ready by making my bed, do my teeth, and just prep my room for afterwards, because I won't feel like I'll be too exhausted to do my bed. I would obviously do my bed, but just in prep for afterwards, I do it before. So I like tidy my room before I do my workout. So let's do that. That's my workout done for the morning. It's nearly 11:30, so it does take up most of my morning, but I'm gonna now get a shower and walk the dogs. But I think I'm gonna end it after I get ready and then go and walk the dogs, because like I said in my last morning routine, my morning routine can like fluctuate between the time. It all depends on when I work out, but most of the time it is around 10 o'clock. It can sometimes be earlier or later, but yeah, that was the workout, and let me show you how long I worked out for, on top of like stretching and the actual workout in general, and how many calories I burnt. So this is the summary. I worked out for a full 48 minutes and 18 seconds. And then my active calories, that's while I'm actually working out, I burnt 252. And just in general, that's like if I didn't work out as well, I burnt 318. So obviously I did not film the workout, as you saw. The reason for that is I want to focus on the workout and running, and also I use my music to run, like to motivate me. So if I film on my phone and I'm using my phone for my music, I cannot film it. But I will put the week that I'm on right now to coach 5k, and I literally did that. So it's 5 minutes of walking, it's a warm-up walk, and then you do 90 seconds of running, 90 seconds of walking, and then 3 minutes of running, and then 3 minutes of walking, and then I think I repeat that like 2 times, so 2 times of 90 seconds and 2 times of running, and then you do a cool down walk for 5 minutes, and then I just do some stretches, and that's pretty much it. Like, I really don't do much for my workout. Like, it does do quite a lot. Like, I burn or I sweat quite a lot. I don't burn that many calories, but I'm not like strict with myself with my workout. And I wouldn't say I'm strict with myself with the food I eat. I'm just more aware of it now. If you want me to do a video on like what I eat in a day to stay healthy or to lose weight, because this time I'm generally losing weight, so I have proof that I'm losing weight, and I know you can't probably see it now, but hopefully at the end of the summer you will, hopefully. So I want to end this video with one question, or answer one question. I did put on my Instagram that I'm doing a Q&A, but I only got one question relating to my workout. So I want to answer it on here, and it's obviously this one right here that you can see. And the way it affects me, before I continue, none of you don't know, I have got a heart condition. Don't know what kind, but I have got a heart condition since I was born. And it really depends on my fitness level. Obviously, because I'm doing the Couch to 5K, it's gotten better over the years. Like, my heart doesn't race really fast or go really slow. Like, the doctors have actually said to me, like, it's an average heart. Like, you wouldn't think probably that I've got a heart condition, because I've only got like a small murmur, but it does kind of still affect me with running, especially today. For some reason I need to just stop a couple of times for some like other reasons, like I needed toilet, and there was someone annoying me on my shoe, but also I needed to stop because my like breathing went weird. I don't know if it's just because I wasn't having a proper breathing routine in a way, because when you are running, you need to have like a continuous breathing thing. Obviously you need to breathe, but like, because you're running and using that much energy, you need to like go into like a routine of every 2 steps you take, breathe in, breathe out, like that type of stuff. So I needed to stop once, and I normally stop to get a drink. Every time I go on a run, there's never been a time that I've not needed to fully stop, but that's also is because of my cerebral palsy as well. So I don't really get that affected with running. I just need to make sure that my heart rate doesn't go that high. My heart rate when I'm running it's around like 175 or 179. So yeah, hope that answers your question, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, this morning routine. Let me know if you want like a content creator morning routine or any other types of videos, but I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm gonna go and edit this now, and I'll see you next time with a brand new video.